Hi everyone, welcome to my next vlog. Now I did give people a heads up on the previous vlog that for this one you are going to need lots of these. And we are going to be turning these into this. So let's go. So what you need for this task is sellotape, scissors, a ruler, a pen or pencil, some glue. I'm using super glue, but normal PVA glue will be absolutely fine, especially if you're doing this with kiddies. Some pegs. You'll actually need quite a few of these, which will be explained further on in the video. The final element is toilet rolls. You will need more than 4, but let's go. So the first thing you've got to do is take your toilet rolls and you've got to flatten them like so. So if you are doing this with kids, you might need to help them with this part. It doesn't have to be too precise, so don't worry about that. But just mark every 1 centimetre across the toilet rolls. And then once you've marked out 1 centimetre, you just draw a line over. Once you've marked up your toilet rolls, you then proceed to just cut along where you've made the marks. Continue doing that until they're all cut up into pieces. So once they're all cut up, you need to single out 8 of these. Put all the others to one side. And now you're going to need the sellotape. And what you're going to do, you're going to join all of them up here with sellotape. So do that with all 8 parts. You'll then end up with a nice little flower like that. You just get the pegs. Now if you use smaller pegs it will work a lot better. I don't have smaller pegs. Literally just put them on each one like that. You get some glue and just dab it on in the centre and then just pop it out the way and leave it to dry. So now it's on to making the side part of the bowl with the remaining cut up pieces of the toilet roll. Pick them up and you're basically going to create a net like that. So the same process as before, but instead of making a flower you're just making a long line. So get 2 pieces like so. And just keep going like that. So you have something like that and just keep on going. It's like a honeycomb effect. That's the perfect way to describe it. So once you've put all of them together, you'll have something like this. Springy. Just to attach it. So you've then got your flower base and your tube, and what you do, squash it all together, that makes a cone. So what I've just done, modified it slightly, I've just cut out a cardboard circle and put that on the base of the base. So it will be going into the centre there. So now you've got your cone and you've put it all to the centre. You might have longer bits, so if you literally just trim them off to get them all the same length. That's what you're trying to achieve. You're trying to achieve the cone shape. Now some of the cutouts might lose their shape a little bit, but you can fix them back up and shape them back up once it's all in place. And then put it into the middle with some more glue. You'll need to hold it until it at least goes tacky. Once it's pretty much tacky dry, get some more glue and just put it into the middle. Just leave it as long as possible to set in the middle. Right, it should stand up by itself by this point. And then you'll have a basket made from toilet roll. Now it's up to you whether you just want to leave it in its raw form, I guess. But it depends what you have in the cupboard. I raided the garage and I found some spray paint. Rail colour. It's rail colour 503, which is a sky blue. So I'm going to take it outside and give it a bit of a spray. And this is the final result of using the toilet roll inners to make a basket. As you can see in the images, I've used the basket to store cotton wool pads or hairbands. Because it is only cardboard, you can't store anything particularly heavy in it, but it's good fun to have with the kids. Get cracking and please let me know how they turn out. Speak to you all soon. Bye.